If you want to crop an image, simply double click it, then it will take you to the properties of the image. But there is a shorter way to do it. Simply select the image, hold on Control or Command, and then you can crop the image easily. If you hold on Control, Alt or Command Option key, then you will be able to crop it proportionally. And if you hold down Shift also, then you will be able to crop it in a uniform way. To search any component, press Shift I, then you can search for any component, and this will work only if you have inserted any component library or there are local components available in your file. Then you can simply drag it here and use the component. Then we have is go to next frame or selection. You can press N to go to next frame and Shift N to go to the previous frame. Okay, if you want to insert any country currency, then by default we have the dollar symbol. Simply press Shift 4 to insert the dollar symbol. But if you press Alt or Option key and press 4, then you will be able to insert the rupees symbol. But you can change this to any country. Just Google how to change the secondary layout of the keyboard in your system. You might be using a Mac or a Windows or any other system. Just add the secondary keyboard layout. You can Google it how to do that. Next we have is run last use plugin. To run last use plugin, simply press Control Alt P or Command Alt P. And when I will press these key, nothing will happen because I have not run any plugin till yet. So first of all, I needed to run any plugin. Then after running this plugin, let me close it. And if I want to run that plugin again, I can press Ctrl Alt P to run the plugin again. You can see that Unsplash is running right now.